Welcome. Taking photographs of a vehicle just after an accident or when you have access to that vehicle. Today's video is part of a series to improve case value, reduce the complexity of your case, add a simple strategy, catch the other person in a lie, and bolster your own credibility. My name is Matt Hamilton. I'm a trial attorney. I regularly handle accident, injury, and death cases. One of our main strategy virtues is our ability to take great investigative photographs. One of the great vices I see from defendants is a failure to fully investigate and photograph. You'll be able to avoid that in today's video. First thing I want you to do is get immediate access to your car. It is often the case that one or more vehicles involved in the collision, once they get towed away from the collision scene, are never seen again. This happens frequently. The insurance company buys the vehicle from the other side, they tow it away, and they sell it, they junk it, they never see it again. This creates a problem, so you need to act immediately. Once you've gained access to the vehicle, don't just take from the outside. I want you to get inside the vehicle. Get a nice angle, get plenty of light, and take what the interior looks like, both as you're looking outside the vehicle, but also you can even step outside and make sure that you have photographs of the interior. Facts may come later to light, accusations may come out later on. It's better to catch the other person in the lie than be caught yourself. And it's better to bolster your credibility by having what you said proved correct. So the interior, both looking at what's inside it and also to the outside, shows. I'll give you a perfect example. The victim, the injury victim, is going to be testifying what happened to his or her body at the time of collision. A picture's worth 1,000 words. Being able to show what they hit and how they hit will be very persuasive versus just having to describe it. Your interior photographs will show that. Now get out of the vehicle. There are two areas that people make these mistakes in photographing the vehicle. Number one, they photograph too many close-up shots, and so you can't see the vehicle as a whole. And secondly, they don't do multiple angles. So I want you to get out of the vehicle. I want you to put your camera up way high and take photographs looking down. And then I want you to get way low, take photographs looking up. And then take full body photographs and walk around the vehicle, taking photographs of all 360 degrees of that. Yes, I realize some parts are undamaged, but you're also going to want to document the undamaged portions as well as the damaged portions. Next, focus in on the areas that are actually damaged and take good, detailed, well-lit photographs of those. Those not only show the property damage to your vehicle, but that they can come out later on to show the severity of the impact that justifies the damage, the injury, or the death that was caused because of the accident. Oftentimes an interior photograph of a bumper will show the buckled steel, and we can figure out that it was a high impact even though it may not look that bad. In trucks, oftentimes there's damage that's gone all the way between the cab and the crew of the truck. Well, those tiny little areas, it takes a lot of pressure, a lot of impact to harm them. If you photograph that, you can display to the insurance company that you're going to be able to prove to the jury how harmful this accident actually was. Lastly, there's no way for you to anticipate what the other person is going to say happened in the collision, what the other person is going to say happened as to the body. It's better to be able to bolster your own credibility through a photograph that they don't have, or catch them in a lie because they don't think it was documented. That's taking photographs of a vehicle. Don't skimp. We can always delete them later on. If you have additional questions, I want you to check out my other videos because I have an entire line of them on photographing accidents. I want you to go to my website where I've provided additional details on how to investigate these. And if I haven't covered the topic yet, I want you to call me at my office. I'd be happy to lend whatever insight I can. Again, I'm Matt Hamilton. Thank you for joining me.